Okay, so apparently I don't know how to hit pause, or you can't do that on YouTube. I don't know. So I got my Chewy, and you use this to work your aligners onto your teeth. Also, y'all might have noticed that I'm wearing the same, it's a dress, as I was the first thing 2 weeks ago. This is a house dress, so I throw it on after work, unless I wear my pajamas, and then, you know, I just switch straight to my pajamas. If at all possible, if you don't have one now, get an electric toothbrush. Your gums will be so happy. They're cheap. Some of them, I think the one I have, the spin brush, costs almost close to what a regular toothbrush costs. They are definitely worth it. Your teeth and your gums will be very happy, especially if you have aligners, because you're massaging your gums. So I think I got it on there pretty good. The Chewy is awesome, by the way. Even if you're not using it to get your aligners in, it does help with the discomfort. So, got my aligners in. Step 2. Here we go. Yay! The first 2 days of the first set sucked. They hurt. I was in pain. I was uncomfortable. 3 to 4 aspirin each day helped alleviate that. I was so uncomfortable, there was no way I was going to eat with them out of my mouth. I also thought eating with them in my mouth was better because they were protecting my teeth. So it would be easier to brush when I take them out, since there wasn't any food getting in my teeth. About Wednesday or Thursday, I started taking them out to eat. And it actually felt nice to have them out of my mouth for a little bit. But then I got worried about my teeth like magically getting all crooked again, and which is dumb. But I was very comfortable with taking them out, eating. I am not as religious. Whoops, sorry y'all, I'm moving my feet. I was not as religious about brushing my teeth because I'm also concerned about brushing too much and then losing my enamel on my teeth. So I brush 3 times a day. I floss twice a day. And I use the whitener twice a day. It says you can use it up to 4 times a day, but there's hydrogen peroxide in it, and I don't know if that is really good to use on your teeth that much. So I only do it in the morning and in the evening. I will drink coffee all day long with my aligners in, and they weren't stained. My other aligners were not stained. When I brush my teeth, I brush my aligners. And I did soak my, dang it, Suzuki. I did soak my aligners one time. They suggest you do that you can put some of the whitener in and then just let them sit like when you're eating a meal. Am I saying like too much? I'm sorry. So let them sit when you're eating a meal, and then rinse them, brush your teeth, and pop them in. The top ones, by the 10th day, they just went, I was able to get them up there with just my tongue, and I could pop them out with just my tongue. So the top ones were getting pretty loose towards the end of the 2 weeks. Right now, talking, I can feel that my back teeth and the bottom are the ones that are being worked right now, along with these teeth. And the top ones, I think it's these two that are being worked. But I mainly feel it on my bottoms. So I'm really excited about getting the new aligners in. So it's something to look forward to. Every 2 weeks you get a new set. I don't dread it because my final goal is getting reached. So it's nice to be able to put them in, feel that my teeth are being moved, and you get used to it. You'll get your own little routine. What I do is I brush my teeth in the morning, go to work, eat breakfast at work, then have my mid-morning snack, brush my teeth again, then lunch, brush my teeth again, come home for dinner, do dinner and my snack, and brush my teeth. Now, when I don't brush my teeth, I will at least, when I'm done eating, if I go eat out at a restaurant, I will go into the restroom, rinse my aligners, and rinse my teeth, and then pop them back in. So, they're in. But probably for the next 2 days, I'll continue to do that or play around with the Chewy. But seriously, the Chewy's awesome. So, step 2. And then Wednesday, I have my video meeting with my consultant, who, I guess you're not supposed to start doing this until you talk to your consultant, but guess what? There's no way I was going to wait 2 whole weeks to start this process. So, yay! And what else did I want to tell y'all? Get an electric toothbrush. Seriously. They feel awesome. Okay, bye.